All right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our artificial intelligence course, and we're still doing our learning module. Let's have a look at what we went over tonight. Now, I did figure out what the issue was with the NEM program that I was having an issue with. See, the problem with the program is that the NEM is an actual library, as you can see here. The reason I can't import train is because this package isn't actually a part of that library. It's something that the instructor put together himself and actually put it together for the course. So it's not really something I have access to. It's not something that's really privy to the entire web where you can go and do research on it and see how to troubleshoot it, because it's something that was made, even though they're all made, but there's something that was made personally just for this project, and it's not something that's shared with the entire web. It's on his own personal device. So that's why I couldn't find it, and that's why I couldn't implement it. So we are going to follow along the best as we can, and I did do that down here. So let's get started with what we picked up from tonight. All right, so once the AI has trained on its 10,000 games, it will once again challenge us, but this time with a lot more experience. So he did go ahead and train the AI with the 10,000 games, and then we started up a fresh game. So since we were unable to run the actual AI equals train 10,000 program, we will recreate it. This is the first game we played against the AI after its training of 10,000 games against itself. This is the starting game board. So again, we started with the regular game board here, as you can see. AI made the first move and chose to take one object from this pile here, this pile there. It is now our turn, and this is the new game board. You can see with one piece missing or one object missing from this pile, and we chose to take one object from this pile here. So let's go down. Now it is the AI's turn again, and this is the new game board reflecting our choice to take one object from here. And actually, AI chose to take all of the objects from this pile. So after we took one in our previous, AI decided to take the rest of them. See, now it's our turn, and this is the new game board. So this is the game board here reflecting that this entire pile was taken, and we decided to take three objects from this pile here. It is now the AI's turn, and this is the new game board reflecting our decision. The AI decided to take one object from this pile. It is our turn again, and this is the new game board. So it's reflecting the AI's decision, and this is the decision we made. We decided to take one from this pile here, taking one from here. Now it's AI's turn again, and this is the new game board. This is the game board here. AI decided to take two objects from this pile, and this is the final move and game loser move for us, since we are making this move, because this is the last move. If you've been following along since yesterday, you know that the last person to make the last move is actually the loser. So that's going to be us in this case. So this is the last object we can take from any pile that's remaining, and this is the only option left for us to take. AI has won this round. So it seems like after playing 10,000 games against itself, the AI has learned something about what states and actions tend to be good, and has begun to learn some sort of pattern for how to predict what actions are going to be good and what actions are going to be bad in any given state. So reinforcement learning can be a very powerful technique for achieving these sort of game playing agents. Agents that are able to play a game well just by learning from experience, whether that's playing against other people or by playing against itself and learning from those experiences as well. Now, I'm going to leave it there for tonight because we did take a lot more notes, but it's all pertaining to the same thing of playing or using the AI to play against itself or playing against opponents and having it learn from those experiences. But yeah, we will pick up tomorrow where we left off, and I will keep you posted every step of the way. But for now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.